Hi you guys, welcome to my channel today. I have a DIY for you. It is actually a dupe of a lantern that I saw at Target in their garden section or seasonal section, whatever you want to call it. But I spotted this white lantern there and it was really big and it was $50 unfortunately, so I did not want to spend that kind of money, and so I DIY'd my own. And just to show you, I used one of these little lanterns that they were selling at the Dollar Tree. You can use any type of lantern inside, and let's go ahead and jump into this. So I started this project out by flipping the marble trash can over that I purchased at Daiso, and then taking the pink laser cut trash can that I purchased at Burlington Coat Factory, and I hot glued it to the bottom of the smaller trash can. I had to put loads of hot glue on here to get it down, but I'm using Waverly White to paint the trash can, and I'm going to go ahead and paint the top trash can that's pink, and then I will go ahead and paint the bottom marble trash can with my Waverly White. I will be going in with a smaller paintbrush after all of this has dried to get into some of those holes where you can still see through. And I know the paint's going to dry over some of the smaller holes, so I'll have to take a toothpick and poke through that paint just so that you can see the light coming through when the lantern is put inside. Guys, this was such a simple project, and I think that my lantern actually is bigger and taller than the Target lantern, and I kind of like it better. I went ahead and finished up painting the inside of the top trash can. I also added another coat to the outside, and I expect I'll probably have to do another coat on the bottom as well. And the pink did not cover like I thought it was going to, so it actually was a little bit more difficult than I anticipated, but I guess that's the way it always goes when you're doing crafts. So as I had said before, I had to go in with a stick and poke through some of those holes that had sealed up from the first coat of paint, and it actually is turning out really cute. Next, I went ahead and glued down the nautical rope around the bottom of the trash can that's on the bottom, which is actually the top of the trash can, but you know what I mean. I decided that I was going to add something else to that section in the middle. I just wasn't liking the way the rope looked.